Can you give the audience a little bit of the scope of the market analysis report?
Well, maybe I'll start with a definition. So what supply chain planning does is it's made up of different applications. So one set of applications is demand and inventory. Uh, um, so the demand solution forecasts, how many widgets you're going to have to make in a given period of time, and how many by region and how many by customer. And then you can take that demand signal, and that tells you how much inventory you need and where you need to put it. And then there are also supply planning solutions. And the supply planning solutions create what's called a digital model of the supply chain. They understand how things flow from factories to distribution centers. They understand how long it takes to make a certain product versus another product. And if you marry up the supply solution and the demand solution, you can meet your customer demand with a lower amount of inventory. So the major savings from supply chain planning is reaching higher customer service levels with much less inventory.
Interesting.
As far as the scope, it's a global study, all regions of the world, multiple industries, customers of different sizes. It's a big study. It's a market that's over $1 billion.